Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making the machine safe. Unplug it and close the water valves, then put on gloves. Once done, power it briefly to read any error code and write down the model number for reference. Next, make a quick visual sweep. Examine inlet hoses for kinks, the bottom filter for debris, and the door seal for trapped items. These first checks expose common faults quickly, so act on the obvious findings before opening panels or ordering parts. With safety ensured, remove the lower service panel and keep screws in a dedicated dish. Next, manually rotate the drum and inspect the pump inlet for coins, buttons, or textile bits. Clear any blockages. Use a multimeter to measure continuity on the drain pump, motor windings, heating element, and the door latch switch. Replace parts that show open circuits. While testing, listen for unusual bearings noise and check belts and suspension. These mechanical signs point to wear versus electrical failure. Install replacement parts following orientation and connector markings. Make sure hoses clamp and electrical plugs click fully. Once reassembled, reopen the water valves and plug in the machine, then run a short diagnostic or a rinse cycle to verify functionality. Observe for leaks at hose joins and under the tub, and watch the display for persistent error codes. If a problem recurs, one key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.